It's Dynaapie, and in this video I provide accurate and evidence-based information to encourage you to seek professional help if you are struggling with mental health issues. I hope these tips help you to improve your mental health and well-being and create a positive impact on your life. Number 1. Practice self-care. Practicing self-care is an important aspect of maintaining good mental health and well-being. Here are some tips on how to practice self-care. 1. Get enough sleep. Aim to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to help your body and mind recharge. 2. Eat a healthy diet. Eating a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help improve your mood and energy levels. 3. Exercise regularly. Engaging in regular physical activity can help reduce stress, improve mood, and boost self-esteem. 4. Take breaks. Take regular breaks throughout the day to rest and recharge. This can include taking a walk, reading a book, or practicing mindfulness. 5. Practice relaxation techniques. Engage in relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or yoga to help reduce stress and promote relaxation. 6. Do activities you enjoy. Make time for activities that you enjoy, such as hobbies, spending time with friends, or listening to music. Remember that self-care looks different for everyone, and it's important to find what works best for you. By prioritizing self-care, you can improve your mental health and well-being and feel more balanced and fulfilled in your daily life. Number 2. Manage stress. Managing stress is an important part of maintaining good mental health and well-being. Here are some tips on how to manage stress. 1. Identify your stressors. Identify the things that cause you stress, such as work, relationships, or financial issues. 2. Practice relaxation techniques. Engage in relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or yoga to help reduce stress and promote relaxation. 3. Exercise regularly. Engaging in regular physical activity can help reduce stress, improve mood, and boost self-esteem. 4. Prioritize self-care. Make time for self-care activities such as getting enough sleep, eating a healthy diet, and engaging in activities you enjoy. 5. Practice time management. Use time management techniques such as prioritizing tasks, breaking them down into smaller steps, and setting realistic goals to help reduce stress. 6. Seek support. Reach out to friends, family, or a mental health professional for support and guidance. Remember that managing stress is an ongoing process, and it's important to find what works best for you. By practicing stress management techniques, you can reduce the negative impact of stress on your mental and physical health and improve your overall well-being. Number 3. Build social connections. Building social connections is an important aspect of maintaining good mental health and well-being. Here are some tips on how to build social connections. 1. Join a club or group that aligns with your interests, such as a book club, sports team, or volunteer organization. 2. Attend social events such as parties, networking events, or community gatherings to meet new people. 3. Reach out to friends and family members to maintain and strengthen existing relationships. 4. Use social media to connect with friends and family members who live far away or to join online communities that share your interests. 5. Volunteer for a cause that you care about to meet like-minded individuals and make a positive impact in your community. Remember that building social connections takes time and effort, and it's important to find what works best for you. By building social connections, you can reduce feelings of loneliness and isolation, improve your mood, and enhance your overall well-being. Number 4. Seek professional help. Encourage your audience to seek professional help if they are struggling with mental health issues. Share information on how to find a therapist or counselor and encourage them to reach out for support. Seeking professional help is an important step in managing mental health issues. Here are some tips on how to seek professional help. 1. Talk to your primary care physician. Your primary care physician can provide a referral to a mental health professional, such as a therapist or psychiatrist. 2. Contact your insurance provider to find out what mental health services are covered under your plan. 3. Research mental health professionals in your area and read reviews to find someone who specializes in the issues you are experiencing. 4. Attend a support group for individuals who are experiencing similar mental health issues to connect with others and receive support. 5. Use online resources such as mental health websites or apps to find information and support. Remember that seeking professional help is a sign of strength, and it's important to prioritize your mental health and well-being. By seeking professional help, you can receive the support and guidance you need to manage mental health issues and improve your overall quality of life. Number 5. Practice gratitude. Encourage your audience to practice gratitude by focusing on the positive aspects of their lives and expressing gratitude for the things they are thankful for. Practicing gratitude is an important aspect of maintaining good mental health and well-being. Here are some tips on how to practice gratitude. 1. Keep a gratitude journal. Write down 3 things you are grateful for each day in a journal. 2. Express gratitude to others by thanking them for their help or kindness. 3. Practice mindfulness by focusing on the present moment and being grateful for what you have. 4. Count your blessings. Take time to reflect on the positive aspects of your life and count your blessings. 5. Volunteer for a cause that you care about to give back and feel grateful for the opportunity to make a positive impact. Remember that practicing gratitude is an ongoing process, and it's important to find what works best for you. By practicing gratitude, you can improve your mood, reduce stress, and enhance your overall well-being. Number 6. Set realistic goals. Encourage your audience to set realistic goals and work towards achieving them. This can help build a sense of purpose and accomplishment, which can improve mental health and well-being. Setting realistic goals is an important aspect of maintaining good mental health and well-being. Here are some tips on how to set realistic goals. 1. Identify your priorities. Identify the things that are most important to you and prioritize them. 2. Break down larger goals into smaller steps, more manageable steps to make them less overwhelming. 3. Set specific, measurable goals that are achievable within a certain time frame. 4. Be flexible and willing to adjust your goals as needed based on changing circumstances. 5. Celebrate your progress along the way to stay motivated and encouraged. Remember that setting realistic goals takes time and effort, and it's important to find what works best for you. By setting realistic goals, you can reduce stress, improve your self-esteem, and enhance your overall well-being. Overall, maintaining good mental health and well-being requires a combination of different strategies, including managing stress, building social connections, seeking professional help when needed, practicing gratitude, and setting realistic goals. It's important to find what works best for you and to prioritize your mental health and well-being. By taking care of your mental health, you can improve your overall quality of life and achieve greater happiness and fulfillment. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget that your likes, comments and subscribes encourage us.